All right, let's talk about the 6 best remote side hustles for people over 50 in 2026. Because if you're anything like me, you've probably realized something that job that you're in, you're just a number. I've seen so many people in their 50s be the first ones to go when the economy takes a dip, because companies can pay somebody younger half the wage and boom, you're out on your, And let's be honest, if your retirement savings looked anything like mine did, you probably had that uh-oh moment. Like, wow, we're still stupid short for retirement. And that's when I knew that I needed to figure out something else. So let me share with you these 6 remote side hustles that you can start right now while you're still working, which is exactly what I did, even if you have zero experience, zero knowledge about how any of this works. And the number 6 I'm going to share is personally the one that I recommend for beginners because it gives you the foundation and automation so you're not guessing and starting from scratch. So stick around, my friend, because this could truly change your life just like it has mine. If we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I'm a 57-year-old Canadian grandma of 3 beautiful little granddaughters, and I help fellow midlifers say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind, hello to freedom, flip-flops, and campfires by building a flexible online income that they can take anywhere. Now, this past Christmas season alone, I made over $28,000, all from what I'm going to share with you in this video. And the truth is, I didn't have to hustle through the holidays to make that happen. I actually had systems set up beforehand so that income came in while I was making my Christmas memories. Like Christmas Day alone, I made this. And that's more than I spent on all of the Christmas gifts. So check out right here. Like I posted my YouTube video on December the 20th. And then I didn't post anything else until this video right here. So you can check out the dates. Go to my channel, check out the dates. And just to be clear, I am not sharing this to say that this happened overnight. No, no, or it doesn't happen automatically. What made the difference for me was learning the right skills and putting systems in place that continue to work even when I'm not running my business. So stick around. Let's unpack this together. All right, let's go. Just a couple years ago, I was working full-time, behind on our retirement savings, and honestly feeling totally stuck. I tried a bunch of online things and failed more times than I honestly cared to admit. But then I found a system that actually worked for me. And now I've made well over $1 million online. And honestly, it still blows my mind. And I don't say that to impress you, but to impress upon you that there are ways. And everything I'm going to share with you in this video is something that I personally use and still recommend today. So if you've ever felt like you're starting too late or tech just isn't your thing, you are exactly who I made this video for, my friend. Before we jump into the list of those 6 things, there's something important that I want you to think about. A lot of side hustle videos focus only on how much money you can make. And honestly, money is important, right? We need that. And it matters. Of course it does. But if you hate what you're doing, you're not going to stick with it long enough to have results. So instead, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. What do you love doing? What are you naturally good at? And what would people actually pay you for? And you see that little sweet spot right in the middle there? That is where your side hustle gold lives. And here's the thing. A lot of people actually get stuck right there. They know there's something there, but they're not quite sure how to turn it into income. That is exactly why I created my free Passion to Profits workshop. Inside that workshop, I walk you through how to uncover your own sweet spot, like that middle piece, how to start making income from it, and how that one idea can turn into multiple different income streams. It blows people's mind, actually. So you can find that link to register for that free workshop in the description below. So as I go through these next 6 ideas, keep those 3 questions in mind and pay attention to the one that really kind of lights a fire in you, okay? All right, let's start with the one that completely changed the game for me, and that's YouTube. Now let's talk about income, because yes, YouTube can actually become a serious income stream for you. It doesn't happen overnight, but step by step, you can build an income with YouTube. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time hours, you can become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. That means YouTube places ads on your videos and pays you a percentage of that revenue. So you're getting paid for consistently posting helpful content that people actually watch. And the more helpful your content is, the more people watch it. And the more ad revenue rolls in for you. So let me give you a real life example from my channel. And I still have a relatively small channel in the grand scheme of YouTube, but YouTube has paid me $8,900 in the last 90 days, which works out to be almost $3,000 a month. Now, would that make a difference for you? Would that help with retirement fund money or peace of mind going into retirement? And I do this from my phone. I'm actually recording it right now with the light shining in on my iPhone and wherever I happen to be in the world. Right now, I happen to be at home. This kind of income gives you flexibility and options, which matters so much as we head towards retirement and we want to work less and not more. So if you've ever thought, I don't even know what I talk about, start with what you love, right? Go back to those questions. Maybe it's gardening, DIY, faith, budgeting, health, or even surviving grandkids in your 50s. There is someone that is actually searching for what you know. Think about your experiences. Your experience is your superpower. And no, you don't need to be techie. The most important thing is starting with what you already know and love. So tell me in the comments, what could you talk about on your YouTube channel? Put it down below. I'd love to know. So another kind of income idea that you can do anywhere is affiliate marketing. It is money by recommending what you already use, tools, products, clothes. Now this one is kind of underrated, but it's seriously one of the smartest and simplest ways to start making money online, especially if you're just starting out and you don't want to create your own product. Affiliate marketing is basically you getting paid to share something that you already love. That is it. Like you're recommending a product or a service, and when somebody buys it through your unique link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. So let's say you're already posting content on your YouTube channel, or you have an Instagram account, or you're even just chatting in a Facebook group with friends. You talk about your favorite air fryer, your Bible study app, your walking shoes, or your budgeting spreadsheet. Now imagine every time that somebody asks, where did you get that? You send them a link, and that link pays you when they buy it. And boom, that's affiliate marketing. So let's talk about what you can promote. You could do Amazon products like kitchen tools, beauty finds, gadgets, home decor. There's digital products like online courses, templates, or softwares that you love. Apps and tools like Canva, TubeBuddy, System.io, and even Bible study apps. The list goes on and on and on. You can even recommend programs that you have taken that have helped you and you know will help others. Almost every company these days has an affiliate program. Just Google the name of the product that you love and see if they have one. You'll usually find it at the bottom of their website. So why is this the perfect for midlifers and beginners? Because there's no product. There's no product creation. There's no shipping. There's no customer service. You're just sharing the things that work for you and helping others by pointing them in the right direction. And yes, affiliate links work beautifully with YouTube as well, especially if you're creating videos or tutorials around topics that you're passionate about. Have you ever bought something because someone online recommended it? If so, congratulations, you have already been part of affiliate marketing. Now it is your turn to be on the earning side of that equation. And this is something that I walk through more deeply in my Passion to Profits workshop. How you can layer it in so you can create multiple income streams without extra work. You can also create and sell digital products. Turn what you know into income that pays you on repeat. This one right here is gold for anyone who's ever said, I wish I could earn more money doing something meaningful without trading all my time for it. Digital products are things that you create once and you sell over and over again. So think about journals, printables, mini courses, templates, checklists, guides, or even devotionals. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of somebody who wants to learn, organize, or accomplish what you've already figured out. Ask yourself this: have you created a family budget that actually works? Do you have a morning routine that keeps you grounded in your faith? Have you found a system that you plan your meals, saves you time and money? Are you known for creative Bible study notes, backyard garden layouts, or grandkid activity binders? These can be digital products. Like you can turn that wisdom into a planner, a workbook, or a cheat sheet and sell it online. I really love this side hustle idea because it's low cost to start. There's no shipping, no inventory. You create it once and sell it over and over again. You're sharing your life lessons, which makes it personal and purposeful. So platforms like System.io make it super simple to upload and start selling your digital product, even if you don't consider yourself tech savvy. I personally use System.io, and here's the best part. You can upload your product, connect your payment platforms, and build your automated funnel aka your freedom machine, is what I call it. If that sounds like a foreign language right now, don't worry, my friend, because I literally walk you through this inside my Passion to Profits workshop. So register for that right now. I give you all the tools, freebie funnel, freebie, like automation. It's all done for you. And we teach you how to use it. You will learn how to create your own freebie, how to grow your email list, how to set up your automation and get it selling for you 24/7, even while you're chasing your grandkids or laying on some tropical beach, which yes, I wish I was there right now because it's stupid cold and snowy here in Ontario. Okay, so what is something that people always ask you for help with? There is a clue for your first product idea. So coming up in number 6, I'm going to share with you the exact shortcut that I use that gives you a ready-made digital product that you can sell immediately without creating one from scratch. But before that, let's talk about memberships. Creating a membership is another great way to earn reoccurring income. I use a platform called School. And unlike Facebook groups where you can get shut down for no reason at all, School gives you ownership and control. You can create a monthly reoccurring community around, like, let's say knitting, cross-stitching, budgeting, faith, or anything that you love. People pay monthly to learn from you. They access resources and be a part of your community. And that's the power of having a community. So let's look at my community right here. I have made reoccurring income over $8,000 a month from a community. So that is the power of building a community. Next up, we're going to talk about coaching, getting paid to guide others using the life experience that you already have. We didn't get to be 50 without learning some things, right? Coaching is helping someone get from point A to point B using what you've lived, learned, or mastered. You don't need a fancy certification. You need clarity and a heart to help people. You can do faith-based coaching, wellness coaching, mindset, life transitions, grief support, or digital business coaching. And the list goes on and on. Your hard story might be the thing that gives somebody else hope. I do group coaching weekly inside my Freedom Builders Club, helping people learn digital marketing. I'm sharing the exact steps that worked for me so others can build a flexible income too. And finally, e-learning and master resell rights. When I started, I wanted something beginner friendly that taught me everything about earning online. That's what I found in the Daily Pay Blueprint. It taught me social media, email marketing, digital products, affiliate marketing, and automation. But the game changer was master resell rights. I could resell the exact course that I was learning from and keep 100% of the profits while building my skills. Everything that I've shared in this video started with this program. It gave me the foundation to build a flexible, automated online business in my 50s. So if you're ready to stop guessing and follow a real plan, then you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's below. This is the exact program that I recommend 100% of the time for beginners, because it gives you everything you need to get started. So you are not too late, my friend. You are not too old. You just need a starting point. If even one of these side hustles sparked something inside you today, don't just watch and walk away. Take the first step. You are made for so much more, my friend, and your time is now. So if you want to see how that gold sweet spot can turn into multiple different income streams, you're going to want to watch this next video right here as I break it down very step by step. It's going to actually blow your mind. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.